There's nowhere quite like Plymouth, Britain's ocean city. Let me show you around. No trip to the city is complete without a visit to Plymouth Hoe. With unbeatable views across Plymouth Sound, it's the perfect place to spend a sunny day, enjoying a picnic on the grass and watching the ships as they sail across Plymouth Sound. Standing tall on the green-lawned expanse of the Hoe is the iconic Smeaton's Tower Lighthouse, one of the Southwest's well-known landmarks. Standing at 72 feet high, the structure was in use from 1759 to 1877, before it was moved to its current position overlooking Plymouth Sound. Venture inside, and you'll see that the tower has been painstakingly restored to its original glory. Climb the steps to the top of Smeaton's Tower for fantastic views of Plymouth Sound and the city from its lantern room. I'm sure you'll agree, this panorama is unbeatable. Take a stroll along the waterfront and see the historic Royal Citadel, the most impressive 17th century fortress in Britain and current home to the troops of the 29th Commando Royal Artillery. And take in the views across the water and local cafe and restaurants. Plymouth is home to some incredible family attractions. Make sure you visit the Box, the city's stunning cultural attraction, museum, art gallery, and archive, with 9 permanent galleries showcasing incredible collections, such as 14 monumental ship's figureheads and a full-size woolly mammoth replica. With a regularly changing program of events and exhibitions and a cafe on site, it's a fantastic place for a visit that'll be fun for all the family. Take a visit to the UK's largest aquarium, the National Marine Aquarium on Sutton Harbour. Be amazed by their fascinating underwater world and how we can all play a part in conserving it. You'll enjoy a variety of immersive and engaging opportunities to learn about the marine environment through ocean education for all ages. A visit to the aquarium will take you on a journey across the world's oceans, from the shores of Plymouth Sound to the coral reefs of the tropics of Australia. With over 4,000 animals to meet, including sharks, stingrays, octopuses, jellyfish, and a cheeky turtle, there will be something different on every visit. Their ocean discovery rangers host the aquarium to connect all visitors to the animals who call it home. With 4 main zones, their exhibits include the UK's deepest and largest tank, the UK's largest native exhibit, the UK's largest single viewing panel, and many more interactive displays. Home to an awe-inspiring 15-meter immersive dome, the first of its kind in Europe, the Market Hall offers experiences at the cutting edge of immersive tech. Open to everyone and with a wide range of events and experiences for all the family, the Dome invites you to explore immersive realities without the need for a VR headset, opening up a world of incredible, creative, and immersive experiences for all ages. If you're a history buff, the immersive experience at the historic Elizabethan house is a must during your visit. The historic property, which dates from the late 1500s when Plymouth was a thriving port, has survived the slum clearances of the early 1900s and the Blitz of World War II. The attraction will take you on an immersive yet authentic journey through its history. Get an insight into the history of Plymouth's fascinating Barbican area and meet some of the many people who've lived in the house since it was built 400 years ago. There's a huge range of on-the-water activities you can enjoy in Plymouth, including sailing, stand-up paddleboarding, rib rides, wild swimming, diving and kayaking, to name a few. What better way to experience Britain's ocean city and the wide expanse of Plymouth Sound National Marine Park than with some fun on the water? The Mountbatten Water Sports and Activity Centre has a small, friendly, dedicated and highly experienced team, always on hand to ensure that visitors have an enjoyable time in a safe and welcoming environment. Alternatively, you can enjoy sightseeing cruises, private charters, and party nights to connecting ferries and fun-packed fishing trips. There's something for everyone. We would like to thank our partners, contributors, and funding partners who made this video possible. What are you waiting for? You can get the best experience in Plymouth. We look forward to welcoming you. See visitplymouth.co.uk for full details.